Hi, I'm Bella from Yijing Solution. In modern manufacturing, CNC machining is becoming more vital than ever. Aluminum stands out as one of the top materials. Today, I'll show you why it's a go-to choice for precision CNC parts and custom components. Aluminum is lightweight yet strong, ideal for products that need both durability and low weight. It's naturally resistant to corrosion, easy to cut, and faster to machine than hard metal like steel or titanium. Plus, its worker beautiful with surface treatments, anodizing, sandblasting, or polishing, enhancing both performance and appearance. And as manufacturing often say, aluminum enables higher speeds, less toil well, and shorter cycle time, mean faster delivery, lower machining cost, and high precision. That's why so many engineers and designers choose aluminum for prototypes and production runs alike. Of course, aluminum isn't perfect. It's not as strong as steel and can soft at a high temperature above 150 degrees Celsius. In rally production, choosing the wrong alloy can double toil well, increasing machining time, and generate more scrap. So material selection really matters. But in most applications, aerospace, automotive, medical device, electronic, is where aluminum shines. Not all aluminum is the same. Common CNC alloys include 6061, 7075, 6082, and more. Each has different machinability, corrosion resistance, stress, and the cost. Let's focus on two favorites, 6061 and 7075. 6061 is a versatile 6000 series aligned made with magnesium and silicon. It's strong, easy to machine, cost-effective, and ideal for car parts, structural frameworks, and custom components. 7075 is a 7000 series alloy rich in zinc, which is extremely strong and widely used in aerospace. But because of its stress, it's tougher to machine and cost more. So we recommend using it when maximum performance is essential. Picking the right alloy is a key to ensuring your parts are strong, precise, and reliable, especially for custom CNC projects or low volume production runs. Aluminum is a star material in CNC machining because of this perfect balance of stress, lightness, and versatility. At Yijing Solution, we specialize in turning your designs into high-quality custom CNC parts. Choosing the right alloy, machining with precision, and finishing with your specifications. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and follow Yijing Solution for more insights into modern CNC manufacturing.